Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to show your hometown to friends on Facebook. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated process, ensuring your close connections can see where you're from without sharing it with the entire world. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap it. Now, you'll see a list of options. Find and tap on your profile to access your personal Facebook page. Here's where the magic happens. On your profile page, you'll notice an Edit Profile button. Give it a tap to start customizing your information. As you scroll down, you'll come across the Details section. This is where you can manage various pieces of personal info, including your hometown. In the Details section, look for the Hometown field. You'll see a small pencil icon next to it. That's your Edit button. Tap on it to make changes or add your hometown if you haven't already. Now here's the crucial part for controlling who sees this information. After editing your hometown, tap on the Privacy button. This opens up a menu where you can choose who gets to see this particular detail about you. For this tutorial, we're focusing on sharing with friends, so select the Friends option from the list. Once you've made your choice, tap Done to confirm. Don't forget the final step. Tap Save to apply all these changes to your profile. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your hometown privacy settings to share with friends only. Remember, Facebook occasionally updates its layout, so if you notice any slight differences, the general process should still be similar. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with your friends on Facebook.